Hi everyone, welcome back. Today let's study about compound interest. How to find the compound interest by using the formula. So let's see the formula to find the amount first. The amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to N, where the interest is calculated yearly. The interest is compounded yearly. So here A is the amount, P is the principal amount, and R is the rate of interest, and N is the number of years. By using this, we can find the amount a person receives after certain number of years with a given rate of interest when you are depositing a principal of P rupees. So after finding the amount, we can find the interest by using the formula I is equal to A minus P. A is the amount he receives after a certain number of years and P is the principal amount. The difference between these two will give you the interest or the compound interest for those many years. Consider a question. Find the amount and the compound interest if the principal is 12,000 rupees and it is for 3 years at 5% rate of interest and the interest is calculated yearly. So when the interest is being calculated or compounded yearly, what is the amount receives at the end of 3 years and the compound interest for 3 years. That is what the question what we have to find. First, write all the data given. Given P is equal to rupees 12,000. Time N is equal to 3 years. Rate of interest is 5%. And we need to calculate the amount as well as the compound interest. And here the condition is given that the interest is calculated yearly. So, first let's find the amount. Write the formula to find the amount. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to N. We know the value of P, R as well as N. Substitute. This becomes 12,000 into 1 plus. The rate is 5%. 5 by 100 the whole raised to 3. And that's equal to 12,000 into. Here we can cancel 5 and 100. This becomes 20. This will be 1 plus 1 by 20 the whole raised to 3. That is equal to 12,000 into. Here take the LCM. This will be 20 plus 1 by 20 the whole cube. That's equal to 12,000 into 21 by 20 the whole cube. That's equal to 12,000 into 21 the whole cube by 20 cube. Distribute this cube to both the terms, both the numerator as well as to the denominator. This becomes 12,000 into 21 into 21 into 21 divided by 20 into 20 into 20. Cancel these 3 zeros with this. With 2 6 are 12, 3 2s are 6. So you get this as 3 into 21 into 21 into 21 divided by 2, and that is equal to 27,783 by 2, and that is same as 13,891.5. This is the amount we receive after 3 years at the rate 5%. Now we have to calculate the compound interest. As I have told you, compound interest is equal to A minus P, the amount minus the principal. That is 13,891.5 minus 12,000. And that is equal to 1,891.5 rupees. This is the compound interest he receives after 3 years with the 5% rate of interest, and the amount is 13,891.5. This is how we can find the solution of this particular question. When the rate of successive years are different, Then there is a slight change in the formula to find the amount. That is, amount is equal to P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 into etc. That keeps going. If so many years, different rate of interest are given. So based on that, we have to consider the formula. If it is only 2 years it's given, you can just write this as A is equal to P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100. When the rate of interest for the first year is R1 and the rate of interest for the second year is R2. And the interest is I is equal to A minus P. Consider another question. Calculate the amount for the principal rupees 15,000 and the number of years 2 years, and the rate of interest for the successive years are given as 8% and 10% respectively. First, write off all the data given. P is equal to 15,000 rupees. N is equal to 2 years. R1 is 8% and R2 is 10%. Here, we need to consider the second formula, that is, when the rate of interest for the successive years are different, we have to use the formula A is equal to P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100. Let's substitute the values in this equation. We get the amount as A is equal to 15,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 into 1 plus 10 by 100. Here the power won't come since the number of years are 2. For the first year we have written here 1 plus R1 by 100, and this is for the second year. And this is equal to 15,000 into, take the LCM, 100 plus 8 by 100 into 100 plus 10 by 100. That is equal to 15,000 into 108 by 100 into 110 by 100. Cancel the zeros. 0, 0 get cancels. These 3 zeros and this 2 0 and this 0 get cancels. And that is equal to 15 into 108 into 11. And that is equal to 17,820 rupees. This is the amount we receive after 2 years with a different rate of interest, 8% and 10% for the principal 15,000 rupees. Here in this question we need only to find the amount. So this is the final answer. Amount is equal to 17,820. In case if the question was there to find the interest, we can find the compound interest is equal to A minus P, and the amount is 17,820 minus the principal is 15,000. So you get the compound interest as 2,820 rupees. This is the compound interest he receives after 2 years. Consider another question where the rate of interest for 3 successive years are given. R1 is 8%, R2 is 10%, R3 is 15%, and the principal is 12,000 rupees. Let's write off the data. P is equal to rupees 12,000. R1 is equal to 8%, R2 is equal to 10%, and R3 is equal to 15%. Here we need to calculate the amount. Let's write the formula first. A is equal to P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 into 1 plus R3 by 100. This is for 3 years. So all the 3 years we have different rate of interest, 8, 10 and 15. Write off the details. 12,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 into 1 plus 10 by 100 into 1 plus 15 by 100. And that's equal to 8 and 100 cancels. 2 4s are 8. 25 4s are 100. 0 0 cancels. 5 3s are 15. 25s are 100. You will get this as 12,000 into 1 plus 2 by 25 into 1 plus 1 by 10 into 1 plus 3 by 20. And that's equal to 12,000 into 25 plus 2 by 25 into 10 plus 1 by 10 into 20 plus 3 by 20. This we get by taking the LCM of these fractions given here. This is 25 is the denominator and the LCM, and here this will be 25 plus 2, and in this case 10 plus 1 by 10, and here it is 20 plus 3 by 20. So you will get this as 12,000 into 27 by 25 into 11 by 10 into 23 by 20. Cancel the zeros here, and with 2 if you cancel, this will be 60, and with 5 if you cancel, 5 5s are 25, 12 5s are 60, and that is equal to 12 into 27 into 11 into 23 divided by 5, and that's equal to 81,972 divided by 5. Thus is same as 16,394.4, and this is the amount received after 3 years with a different rate of interest. If we need to find out the compound interest, we can find it as CI is equal to A minus B, that is 16,394.4 minus 12,000, and that is same as 4,394.4, and this is the compound interest received after 3 years. Now these questions are for you. Calculate the amount for rupees 6,000 for 3 years at 3 different rate of interest, 5%, 8% and 10% respectively for 3 years. Calculate the second question is calculate the amount and the compound interest on rupees 7,500 in 2 years at 6% compounded annually. And in both the cases, the rate of interest is calculated annually. So you have to apply the appropriate formula and find the answer. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with a different topic. Thank you.